So the National Forest Service closed a lot of the major trailheads in the White Mountains yesterday. We found another place to go hiking, and honestly, so we're hiking at this little place called Black Mountain in Benton, New Hampshire, and this is like the part of the state that, I've lived here for 20 years and I've never been to, so I'm kind of grateful that, we get to experience some of these new trails and mountains and lakes. It's pretty cool.